Hello, I'm Mike. Many customers ask me this machine how can adjust the pressure when you're working, like the bucket no power or the boom no high power or the string no high power. So how can we know this pressure adjust? How can we know the pressure? So today I bring the two gauge. So this machine is pilot control. So we have two pressure. So main pressure almost is 17.5 MPa, around 2,200 PSI. So around the pilot pressure is around 3.5 MPa. So I will show how can test and how can adjust the pressure. I will first show how can test this pilot control pressure. So we have the pilot switch, solenoid, like the safety. So I open this side cover. Let's see, it's easily to adjust the pressure, also adjust easily to test. After open inside two-piece bolt, this two-piece bolt also is four-piece, so we can move this cover. This is pilot solenoid. When you give the signal, you push the joystick to down, they will get to work. After the all function can work. So here we can adjust this pilot pressure. So I would connect the gauge. This almost 3.5 MPa, so we can use this meter. We will use this gauge to test this pressure. This pressure almost is 3.5, so we can check from this pipe. We have used this T. When you have machine, I think you need to know how can adjust this pressure. Why this machine can work? This power from where? So we first know this power from this pilot control solenoid. So let's see this pilot how many PSI. I use the 4 MP and 518 PSI. So let's see. Our all. So this 4 MPa. From the safety, first time there will be no have the pressure. So after this joystick down, the solenoid will be work. The pressure around 500 PSI, means 3.5 MPa. If you want to adjust the pressure from here, we can adjust. So with the pilot pressure low, not low like 300, 200, after we can increase. So here, number 5 Alenki. Here is 19 Dali. We lose here. After adjust into high pressure, lose to the pressure low. This 16C, they have the 2 gear pump. The front side one for the main pressure. The main pressure around 2,200 PSI, around 17.5 MPa. So the pilot control, the back side pump for control is pilot control, like 2 joystick to support and door plate. So this pressure is around 500 PSI, means 3.5 MPa. So if the too high, the machine when you working the joystick, they can give the pressure back. You can easily operate it. If the pressure low, they cannot push the valve to work. So the pressure is standby is best to work. So you don't need to adjust. If you want to check, we can check to here. We all is adjust. About the boom pressure and the second boom pressure, also bucket pressure, we can test to here, or we also can test to here. So here also can adjust the pressure. I open this cover. This pipe will be this main boom the pipe, so we can use one T to open the pipe After we can check the pressure. When you open that, be careful. You have the hydraulic oil. Maybe sometimes they have the pressure. So I will use 1T. So like this time they will not have pressure. Now the pressure standard because the cylinder is working. After cylinder finish, around 17.5, like 2,500 ampere. So we will up around 1,000, like slowly the boom up. After boom complete, we give all the way the 2,500. So if you want to adjust this main pressure, we can use the 19 ring dolly to the number 6 Allen. To if we use in, we tight, the pressure is high. We loose, pressure will be low. Before we adjust, must be use the pen, make the mark. If you not change, I think the pressure valve will not have any issue. We need to back, so we need to mark, use the pen. Before we adjust, we must be from release valve, make one mark. If you not any change or get some issue after adjust, we can make it back. So the main pressure also same way.